Traders, we're looking at the Euro Kiwi. I'm just going to quickly go out to the daily. Yeah. All right. Strong bullish trend. Look at this trend. It's a really nice clean trend. We have on the daily time frame, swing low, swing high, retrace. Okay, so it's looking really nice, and I'm looking for a pullback down in, well, that's a daily time frame. Let's just have a look and see what that looks like on the 4H. Yeah, okay, so what we have on the 4H, let me just clear all that. I'm going to be looking for, well, I think a pullback into this level here could be an opportunity. So if we just mark up the candle high over here and pull that through, that kind of coincides with 50%, well, thereabouts, yeah, 50% of the Fibonacci swing low, swing high retrace. So I'm going to be looking for a buy opportunity in around here. Okay, so now there's two things. One, you can speculate with a limit buy, do something like that. I would go with a reasonably tightish stop, something like that, possibly under this candle here. Let's just have a look and see what that looks like. Or even under this red candle. Okay, we're going to go with a stop loss. See this candle here? Red candle on the 4H. Okay, the bullish order block. I'm just going to place my stop slightly under that. So that gives me, if we go for this target here, minus 100 on the Fibonacci, that's 3.54 R. Alright, so that's speculation. Now you can watch this into the London Open or into the New York Open tonight and go down to a lower time frame and look for something like this. Okay, so see how this is leaning over now. Right, you want to see price action trading down, and then around our point of interest, maybe it ranges, and then we get something like that, right? So just keep an eye out for the range, but more importantly, this spike down below the range here to take out stops that would get placed under here. Yeah, always look for the dip under prior to a rally, right? So, I mean, two things. One is pure speculation with this limit buy, that we don't know where this is going to land and, where this rotation starts to take place. And I'm wanting it to happen around this 50 to the 61.8 Fibonacci. That's a key area for me through here. Let me just mark that up. Support zone. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see it trade down into this green zone, and then possibly it wiggles around in there somehow, and then we get the move. And then, look for a break of market structure bullish, higher highs, higher lows, and, that's the cue to enter. So that's what I'm looking for on the Euro Kiwi, guys. And, yeah, wherever this price action takes place, that would be the opportunity to get involved. Okay, so either that you wait for it, watch it, okay, London Open or New York Open, and or you just jump in here now with a limit buy, and that's speculation, bit more risk involved, wider stop. Now here's the thing, if you were to wait for this price action to unfold, then we have the opportunity then to, let's just say that this is our opportunity to jump in. Our stop loss goes under the low, right? So see the difference between the stop loss, when we're watching price action versus our stop loss if we're going to speculate, right? Now the target would be the same. So if that's going to be the case, then see, we're looking at a 7.4 R outcome, and with this, with a pending buy, we're looking at, where are we? Okay. You get a 3.5, so there's a huge difference in terms of the R value outcome, right? One with a stop loss under the previous low, watching price, okay, and we're jumping in when it rotates. And secondly, it's a limit buy with a stop loss placed under here, so that's speculation. All right, I think I've covered it. That's the Euro Kiwi, and yeah, I mean, I'd love your comments. Definitely leave a comment. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.